Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson is poised to make a comeback as chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee, and Senate President Tito Sotto is certain of it. Here is the report.
100%. That's how certain Senate President Tito Sotto is that Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson will return as chairman of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. According to Sotto, Lacson was informed that several senators and even the public want him back at the helm of the committee. He believes Lacson still has unfinished business in the Blue Ribbon Committee.
Marami pang hindi nauungkat. At kung ito'y makakatulong, ang tingin niya siguro mas makakatulong ito sa ICI at doon sa Ombudsman and the Department of Justice. Ako, tingin ko si Senator Lacson, 100% na babalik bilang Blue Ribbon Committee Chair.
Lacson earlier said that both he and Sotto should be ready for the consequences should he return to the post, including the possible withdrawal of support from some senators and even the risk of Sotto losing the Senate presidency.
Tingin ko kasi nakabackup dito yung karamihan ng mga kasama namin sa Senado at nakabackup din sa amin ng publiko eh. Basta ako, kahit anong pwesto ibigay sa akin sa Senado, magtatrabaho ko.
For his part, Senator J.V. Ejercito, a member of the majority, said he sees no problem with Lacson returning to the Blue Ribbon chairmanship.
Kasi walang takers din eh, no? And at the same time, I have to parang ako pinapagbinta na sinasabing ako naging factor, wala, no? Actually kami sa Lacson, nag-uusap kami naman yan. Parang na-clarify naman ni SP Sotto yun, no? Nung nagkaroon kami ng caucus. Nagkaroon lang kasi nagkagulatan na siguro na hindi nagkaintindihan, pero it was clarified.
Lacson, however, raised concerns, asking what value the chairmanship would hold if the majority bloc loses control to the minority led by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Cayetano responded that there's no need to involve the minority in what he described as a family matter within the Senate majority. He emphasized that Lacson's resignation stemmed from dissatisfaction among members of the majority, not from any action by the minority bloc. For News 5, Mon Gualvez, we are One News.